Sea buckthorn, Hippophae rhamnoides, is a plant found throughout Europe and Asia. The leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits are used as medicine. Sea buckthorn is a shrub that produces orange-yellow berries and long, slender leaves. The plant has been used for centuries in foods, traditional medicine, and as an active ingredient in moisturizers in its native northwestern Europe and Central Asia. You may or may not have tried sea buckthorn, but you should consider including it in your regular diet. Being rich in necessary nutrients, it is beneficial for your skin and body. Sea buckthorn is rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, and C, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, along with vitamins E and polyphenols. It's been used traditionally to slow down the aging process. People also use sea buckthorn for burns, eczema, acne, indigestion, high blood pressure, wrinkled skin, and many other purposes. It may protect your skin. Sea buckthorn oil has been used as a traditional skin treatment for centuries. It is rich in unsaturated fat, antioxidants, phytosterols, carotenoids, and vitamins E and K, all of which function together to protect your skin's integrity and promote its renewal. It's also a good source of linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid that's the most abundant fatty acid in human skin. Research suggests that linoleic acid may reduce acne and psoriasis, as well as protect against dry or scaly skin. May promote heart health. Sea buckthorn oil may benefit heart health. Sea buckthorn oil is a good source of quercetin, an antioxidant that's directly linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Inflammation. Studies have explored the potential benefits of sea buckthorn in treating inflammation. Plant chemicals called phenolic acids, which are polyphenols, are found in sea buckthorn seeds. Nutritum sea buckthorn is a product that retains the nutritional benefits of sea buckthorn, containing 3.2 times the vitamin C of lemon, 2.4 times the vitamin E of tomato, and over 190 other plant-based active components. It encapsulates excellent natural ingredients that provide high antioxidant power and support anti-aging efforts.